Welcome to Sunbeauty Factory, the world's leading expert in the manufacture of honeycomb paper decorations, specializing in creating high-quality custom decorations for wholesalers, retailers, and event planning companies. We have an advanced honeycomb paper production line, automatic cutting, manual quality inspection, and each honeycomb structure is precise, uniform, stable, and reliable. All materials comply with FSC certification and environmental standards, reject toxic paints, and ensure safety and beauty. Discover our full range of paper honeycomb products, from vibrant party decorations and tabletop accents to creative gifts and innovative home decor. With customizable shapes, sizes, and styles, your designs bring fun, elegance, and eco-friendly charm to every occasion and space. From ultralight 17 GSM tissue to premium to 150 GSM heavy board, your honeycomb materials cover all your needs, whether for small DIY ornaments or structural display furniture. Choose the right paper weight for optimal strength, shape, and presentation across retail, events, and creative packaging. Choose the right paper weight for optimal strength, shape, and presentation across retail, events, and creative packaging. From cotton ropes and ribbons to magnets, Velcro, and backing boards, our range of honeycomb accessories ensures secure, reusable, and visually clean assembly. Whether for DIY kits, retail displays, or premium installations, we provide the right materials to elevate both function and presentation. Support OEM, radium customization, color, size, and logo as you like. Flat packaging and storage, fast delivery. The shortest delivery time is for 2 to 8 weeks, and urgent orders can also be met. Our honeycomb decorations are widely used in weddings, annual meetings, parties, brand events, and commercial displays. They are not only beautiful and eye-catching, but also environmentally friendly, easy to store, and have low cost for reuse. Choose Sunbeauty Factory. Choose a beautiful, safe, and sustainable decorating partner. Contact us now for free samples and bulk quotes.